Yeah. Please tell me that I can't, that I won't, that I fail, that I'll never make it out, yeah. Please tell me all the bad, never good, fill my head full of every single doubt, yeah. Please say any negative thoughts, I pop off when I hear people say I cannot. I get off to the thought of proving everyone wrong, I won't stop to the top, so you better back off and get lost. I'ma stay loud, stay proud, never running out, never heading south. I'll be spreading out, call it word of mouth, can't put me down, I'll be getting loud. You can have it doubts, not what I'm about, have your cloud, it be raining now, I keep making sound.
Oh, my GTI? My guy? Is it raining? Bruh, stop that right now. Better not rain. It's not supposed to. I actually don't know why that's open. What is good, boys? Welcome back to another video with your boy. If you guys are new here, you know the deal. My name is Chris. We're building my Mark 7 GTI here on the channel. We go fast, have a good time. If that's something that interests you, hit the button, do the thing. Join us. We're going fast. We're hopping right into this. Yeah, sorry, we're kind of rushing this. I do a cold start, but we just jumped from the last video. We filmed a very cool POV. And then I ended up lining it up where my good friend Josh has a tuned S7 with stage 3 APR turbos. And it sounds like we're gonna go get some runs in. We're completely gonna get mopped. For those who don't know, this is my, if I didn't say it 19 times, EQT IS38 GTI. She's making almost 400-ish wheels, somewhere in there, not dyno tuned. And yeah, we're gonna go get some runs in, have a good time. I'll throw in the head cam and we'll probably get mopped, but respectfully from when you see this car, so clean. I will get mopped by this car any day of the week. She's beautiful. On the road again. Ripping my GTI on the road again. Yo, chill, I almost dropped the camera. On the GoPro, throw on the head cam real quick. I'm hoping this guy gets on the interstate. Jersey plates, maybe he wants to party. No way this actually lines up, that'd be sick. It's totally gonna be an old man. He's not gonna get on it. God damn it, dude. I can already tell. Every time. Wow, of course it's gonna start pouring, why wouldn't it? That's literally stupid. He knows I'm not gonna get traction. Escape me this time, senor. Oh shit. Head gear, bro. You like that, dog? Like that. Bro, it's how I live my life, bro. Head cam at a time. Alright, let's roll. Alright, so I was way off. He said he's making 700 to the wheel. We are screwed. Time we have like a good car out. sick! So I would like pull in third, but then he would lose me in fourth. Yo, not gonna lie, that was actually a pretty spicy run. I need gas! What's that?
Close enough.
Close enough.
Oh, this thing wrapped. What's that? She's gonna wrap. Yeah, that's what I gotta do, because I got rock chips, I got
Oh my god, was I filming that whole time? Stupid. Sick, we finally got some runs in, let's go! Shout out to Josh, you're the man. She's super goddamn clean. The rain kind of ruined it, but we got a little something something in. We got a little something something, made it happen. Whoops, I pushed the key thinking it was the camera, idiot. So in the last video or the next video, I'm not really sure the order that these will be in. I was talking about doing, I did like a poll in the comments and I wanted to hear from you guys. Would you rather have this be more quiet and more on the sleeper side, keep it loud, like the exhaust setup? I'm kind of in the air about changing it up. I don't know if I want to just do a high flow res on this and then keep it, I'm just trying to clean it up really, but I also kind of think it'd be sick. Either way.
Please tell me that I can't, that I won't, that I fail, that I'll never make it out, yeah. Please tell me all the bad, never good, fill my head full of every single doubt, yeah. Please say any negative thoughts, I pop off when I hear people say I cannot. I get off to the thought of proving everyone wrong, I won't stop to the top, so you better back off and get lost. I'ma stay loud, stay proud.